Welcome back to AJ Kitchen Paper. I'm Asad, this is Oats. Let's make some chicken.
Let's go!
So start off by chopping up one very fine looking leek, cut into 3 long centimeter slices. Do your best to keep everyone nice and even. And now it's time for chicken breast. Rip off the skin, and then this time using a knife chop into lovely bite-sized chicken bits. Now that everyone's a nice uniform size, we can pop these off to the side for the moment because we're going to pop them onto the flame. In a nice ripping hot frying pan, add in a tablespoon of oil and then all of your leeks. Just the white bits to start out with. Make sure everyone's touching the pan and the oil. Give them a swish, maybe a wee tossity toss. Continue to cook until nice and brown. Now once everybody's got a nice little bit of charring on them, we can shove in our meat. So quickly take them out and replace them with a whole bunch of meat. Excelente! Give them a swish around. Now once the outsides have started to go nice and brown, we can add in 6 tablespoons of sake, very generous servings. And then we're going to quickly pop on the lid to make sure everybody nice and steamy together.
5 minutes later.
Chuck off the lid, let's have a look-see. Reintroduce your favourite leeky boys, along with your not so pre-cooked leeky boys. Make sure everyone's got a spot. Add in 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, along with 2 teaspoons of mirin. Once they're in there, give them a nice stir. Let's cook these boys down. Make sure you give everyone a nice flip, turn and a toss, just to make sure that everyone's nice and coated. Now that some of the water's evaporated, add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then give this all a nice big tossity toss. Making sure everyone's looking good. Give them a bit of a taste. Do your best to make sure nobody starts overlapping each other. And then a nice big crack of pepper. And then continue to toss and cook until lovely and sticky. Then once everyone's got that nice syrupy texture, we can plate up. Alrighty, in a big old bowl, let's add them in one by one to make sure that we've got a nice even coating of chicken to leeky boys. And then, only for those who want it, add on a big old squirt of mayonnaise. And again, we had some rosemary lying around, so we popped some rosemary as a garnish in here. Looking cute as hell. Once you're done adding your garnishes, you can officially show her off to your audience. There you go. Alrighty, time for my favourite time. Toasty time. Tastes like teriyaki sauce. So just one tip to make sure that this is perfect, because this is a quite simple dish. Just make sure that when you're steaming with sake that you cook it all the way through and you'll be fine. Also in terms of garnishes, we added mayonnaise and rosemary, but you can do whatever you like with this. Anything that goes with teriyaki sauce, you'll be fine. If you like what we're doing, we do this almost every day, so hit the subscribe button, give us a like, maybe comment down below. And we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!